beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. YouTube with again Patricia Ndlovu. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. It really means a lot. Today we are featuring Patricia. Yes. Simz.
That's the right Simz on Instagram.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to Patricia Abaga dad, Abaga Gogo, Abaga auntie, Abaga sissy. Simz is at the right Simz. So please
follow your sister. Then we've got
Mimi in the building.
Yeah, guys. We've got celebrities here. Yeah, so guys,
I'll call it
must be
I'm saying I'm correct, but let me say
oh, wow.
That's guest now. So much and today again,
put her on the spot.
Issues. Okay. How do you feel about this? Remember that recently we spoke about Thuli Phongolo,
yes,
and her being with my Patricia and all those videos that came out, right?
Okay, bigger. I'm sorry, my baby.
Okay. Hey, she just sent her a tweet.
Okay, we'll put it right here.
In better comments, Thuli P is not dating anyone or with anyone in any way. Close commas. Lord, let the truth be heard. So, she's emphasizing the fact that can people believe that she is not with anyone?
Okay, she's not with anyone as she was typing. Or what
today, as of today, did they break up already?
Problems in paradise.
In paradise.
And funny thing, those people when they date, they don't like must price Thuli Phongolo is dating with. They don't come and comment but must have pen.
Why? It's not dating anyone.
For what?
But it's for what?
Mara the way we got to Musaka to San Gendo de Nomunt.
Fruity.
Hi guys.
They got them like
hi guys.
It's the song. It's not the song. Oh,
okay. Why gonna
naked
or unless
internet.
Or unless I claim one I love you, be a girlfriend and boyfriend. But means it's old.
Yeah. No, but also I was also looking at these videos when you are in those places, guys need to journey. Don't you think that people have phones and cameras and they are going to do this?
No, yes.
After
Leo dance, okay, if let's say they were not dating, and they were not dating.
Yeah.
Upori akuvukanga kwathi phela ukhumbula ukuthi phela bona mengidoko bebakhohle ama-camera phela ngathi they were in their own world way too.
Like yeah.
Ngitshela ukuthi mabaphuma laphaya azange nix nje lollipop nix nje ba-taste nyana ama-sweet something nje badlo
McDonald's flavor
chicken likini but
and the chicken likini mnandi kanjani mawuye
thank you baby
chicken likini
no underage please. Yes, I'll give you baby, take.
Let's run today.
Yeah. And ufuna simbone ukuthi
I'm here and I've arrived. So we don't know, but Thuli,
I'll stay at the
please clarify your truth good as of today.
Or when
deny completely what you never dated Pori.
Yes.
We want to know. Honestly, our data is involved.
Mama has Thuli personally, please check.
I'm a sauce. Wait,
unknown sauces. First thing in the morning, I know even before you post to bono bad.
I'm a sauce.
Sauces.
Be careful of your sauces. The people are chilling with
Yes.
Our sources.
Sabatana.
And I saw Slik.
And
I say,
Sabatana.
I'm gonna answer
Sabatana. Bese athi ungakhulumi.
Anonymous. Am I go mean? I set up yet. Now related to Ihamba, guys. That's can you please keep me anonymous? Okay, girl.
Yeah.
And then
On the other news. Madam Nansa, so you'll update me now. I'll my opinion.
who are we talking about first? Slik talk?
Yeah.
No, remember when some weeks ago. Okay, if you don't know, we're talking about Slik talk.
Yes.
Slik talk is the other YouTuber.
Baby.
You know, that is an
It's
entity.
cooking
Cooking over. Patricia better snack with my pants.
We carrying on.
So Slik talk is the other YouTuber. You know that Lalela. He calls himself very honest. He's super unfiltered. He's literally like called Ubonang.
Okay.
Yeah, Wi-Fi my calendar. So he was invited by Neji some weeks ago.
Okay.
You know, to be interviewed. And he finally came after saying no, he's there now. And listen here, he's not holding anything back. He's throwing every Uncle Waffles. I think Uncle Waffles is a gimmick. Yes.
Uslik
Reason, but what's your beef with Reason the rapper? I don't beef with broke rappers. Yes. So you Slik talk.
But how do you say somebody is broke? You don't like. Yes.
On the FNB.
And our priorities were to guys. You must remember they're not the same, right? We can be earning the same money. Mango bonus strategy. Simz siyasebenza. Dobo ungathenga ulubi.
Yeah.
Ungamthenga ulubi yabo. Kanti mina ngiyamthenga kanti wena.
Kanti mina ngisupport abafamily abayi-8. Wena usale uhlala umuntu eyi-1.
Yes. Mina ngihlala kithi.
Mina ngibhadala i-rent.
Yeah, my priorities are fine. No, guys,
He's literally throwing everyone under the bus. Even one STC. Mina honestly, the talent amazing.
Yeah, talent.
Vocalistic, as you know, his time is up. Abantu nje abacula amapiano, their time is up because amapiano is not sustainable. Ungafika nje for 3 months, and then after 3 months, your time is up. Maybe producer Inoba. You producer amapiano.
Guys, how do you know what your time will be up?
Do you?
After 3 months.
This is Thuli Phongolo.
Mina, I saw it trending, but I just saw the part because I saw on Owami's Instagram.
Yes.
A clip where he said he was inspired by Owami and Meji to open because like Marapela, somebody like Nishali, you don't get like that. I can do it.
Yes.
But Mauzwa Mejuto, he was able to do it.
I can do it.
I can do it. Yeah. And guy is the parent.
Izanazo. Yo, that is South Africa's best kept secret. I want to know which YouTube like Tola Mali because they signed
next year.
Yes.
Last night you will answer
Askis. Now apply for the Askis. It's coming.
Hey, parents, but
I was on one of these YouTube meetings as a YouTube like they did say we couldn't on YouTube funding, but and we were with the people that got the money.
Oh, okay.
So they cannot disclose because they signed an NDA.
Oh.
But it's enough to really
because Yoms bought a
Mac is not a car.
A Mercedes from that man. Or one bought
a service.
Yes, 7-seater from that. And you know, Meji they even laughed to say Sienzi because Meji was. Wasingayitholi Ntombi. Why ithola kanjani?
Asifast.
Sithandaze again. Usathane ngeke. Ithola kanjani? We are next. We are next. Hey, ngoba bengazi ukuthi
Basayini, they can't disclose. No tato fox you can't disclose.
Yes. Girl,
It's clearly
people made money.
Yeah. And it's enjoyable. So imagine.
Girl, I make cash.
Of course you make.
Sengikhuluma ngayo.
Sifuna ama-equipment, sifuna
Message, yeah, not a message, ngifuna
Yo.
X6.
Yeah.
Yes, but a BMW, it's my favorite.
It's a dream,
yeah.
ultimate car.
I want to be my girl.
It's coming, my love.
I am a BM pen.
It's coming.
I receive
In Jesus' name.
See faster. So first tell my view.
Intermittent fasting. I'm a view.
I'm
a view. I'm a subscriber.
I'm a loyal subscriber, not just subscribers.
Yes.
I'm a loyal.
The best ones. I put me
laba bacala bathi bakhuluma ngo-Simz ningene nithi nyakena nabo. Hello, baby ufuna ukucomment.
Ethi hello.
Hello. Baby uthi naye uyareceiver
Naye
ikiyaphi card. Angithi sincane. Iyamlingana. Angithi levels.
Smart car.
Levels.
Asifake.
And ikiya yakho akuse mangithi kuyapika kuma account ila eSouth Africa
it's house now.
Automatic.
Yes.
And futhi leya ile ukhulumayo uthi
Go.
yeah. Turn left. Turn right.
It's coming.
Driver man. Hello.
You.
Hi guys, I know my sister Thuli.
I think yes, that's the shit. I'm going to
manifest.
But it's my manifestation words.
Bye slow.
Bye bye.